In this video, we're going to cover the steps on how to add another class admin to your class so that they can either assign assignments or upload student rosters into your class for you. So to begin, you're going to need to have a class, which you can of course access via your dashboard or via the classes page. If you haven't created a class yet, be sure to check out that tutorial on how to do so. So now that we've got our class created, we're simply going to click on the class to open it up. And from there, we're going to click on the Members tab. Now that we're here on the Class Members tab, we can see all of the class members that are in our class. At this point, it's just us, the teacher, who created the class. Our role is called Class Admin because that allows us to change the view of the different assignments and content that's available to students, but also control who gets to be in the class. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to cover on how to add another class admin to this list so that they have all that functionality and are able to ultimately upload rosters to your class. So to do so, we're going to add an existing user, which may be another teacher, it could be a tech administrator from your district, it could be a lot of different individuals in your particular situation. So to do that, that person needs to have an existing account. And then on your side, all you need to do is click the Add Member link. So now what we're going to do is we're going to type in the username of that user into this field here. And in this example, this is the username of that particular user, the school roster admin. So now that we've typed in that autocomplete field and located the user, we're simply going to check their role as class admin. So we're ultimately adding them into our class as another class admin. Now all we need to do is click the Save button. And just like that, we've added another class admin into our class. So now both of these users, both myself and this other user, are able to add members in the form of students, other teachers, other class admins into this class. So this becomes particularly useful if you've got someone in your school or district that's managing the student rosters so that you don't have to go ahead and upload your own students. So in this example, that's kind of how we're going to view this particular user, as someone who's going to be uploading student rosters into your class. So once that user is in the class as a class admin, we can then take a look at what it looks like from their side. So I'm going to log in as this user to show you what that process looks like from that side. So now that I'm logged in as that roster admin, I'm simply going to go to the class where I was added as a class admin and click on that members page, just like before. Now that I'm here, I can import a list of students in the form of a CSV roster. So to do that, I'm just going to click on the Import Students link. On this page, you'll find information on how to complete the CSV. It's pretty simple. You just download the CSV template and complete it in a spreadsheet software program. So here we have a completed student roster. We have the first names, the last names of the students, and the passwords that we want the students to have. The email field is optional, and we talk all about how to use this method in our How to Add Students to Classes tutorial. So essentially, once this roster has been completed and saved to the device as a CSV file, we're able to upload it into the Import Users section here under Upload CSV. So all I'm going to do as that school roster admin is locate the file from my device and open it so that it appears here. And then all I'm going to do is click that Upload Users button to import that roster of students into the class. So once that roster has been uploaded, you'll see those students listed on the members page. And that is how another user can be added as a class admin to import students and student rosters into your class in Educate. Be sure to check out our other tutorials and the latest updates as it relates to the Educate platform.